As a mother who has three beautiful kids, it has been a journey and I'm super busy, and sometimes I find myself juggling between kids, home, work, business, husband, family and stuff. And sometimes I find myself my blood pressure going up. But don't worry, because today I'm going to be showing you a very simple natural juice packed with healthy and also healthy ingredients to lower your blood pressure just like me. I've been struggling with blood pressure for a long time, especially during my pregnancies. Thank God I'm done with the thing of giving birth. Thank God, Alhamdulillah. Thank God, I'm really happy, because let me tell you, during my pregnancies or during the period when I'm pregnant, my blood pressure is just something else. Okay, so today this is one of, I normally do a lot of things, guys, but this is one of my best and one that I want you to try at home. It is one of the best, very simple, natural ingredients that you can find in your home. So what we're gonna be needing is actually, you can actually do this by actually having one medium beetroot, one medium-sized beetroot, and also one grapefruit. I have them at home right now. We harvested, and one orange, and one piece of ginger, or maybe a small portion of ginger, and one lemon. Those are the things that we're going to be using today, as you can see. And I'm going to be also telling you some of the benefits of this, because let me tell you guys, I'm all in for natural things that can boost my life as a mom. Because let me tell you, when you get you start getting kids as a lady, as a woman, your body changes, everything changes, and sometimes we undergo so many things as women that nobody will understand, especially the men won't understand, because our body changes and stuff happens, and it gets overwhelming, and also sometimes we tend to forget about ourselves in terms of actually self-care. But luckily, some of the things that we actually can do to improve ourselves, our bodies, and give them the best are at home in your kitchen right now. So without wasting any time, like you are seeing here, I'm first washing my fruits and actually just peeling them like this. We're going to be peeling them just like this. You don't need a lot of stuff. It's a super easy one, and normally I do this when the kids are going to bed, when I just want to have some me time during the evening. It's so refreshing to drink. Instead of me drinking some coffee or some stuff, I rather drink this one, because I know it's gonna help me. And by the way, like I said, I've been on high blood pressure, but I don't use medicines. I don't go to hospital. I thank God. God is so merciful. God is amazing. He's faithful. He has been actually amazing and faithful, because since the year started, we are ending the year, I've never been hospitalized. The only time I went to the hospital was the time I was giving birth to my last child. She's a girl. She's 3 years right now. Any other time? No. Sick? No. And I thank God. I really thank God. Now, without making blah 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 a lot, we're gonna be peeling the same way I'm peeling. I'm peeling them as we talk, because I love talking. Talking reduces my blood pressure, and talking with my family here on YouTube gives me strength, gives me energy. You guys, I just want to say thank you, really. Any one of you who is watching this video and you are commenting, you're coming back and forth and actually just watching my videos, even when they don't mean anything, you still stick with me. I just want to say thank you so much. God bless you, and God keep you healthy throughout. Now we are done with the peeling, and it is very simple. The reason I'm doing this, and this is lemons, by the way, all these things I got from the village, apart from the ginger and the beetroot. Okay, so I'm not gonna use all of it as you are seeing here, because it is too much. It's gonna be too much, and I don't want to make the ginger to be the main subject. I just want to have a little bit of it. You can even add in some carrots. I normally do, but because of that beautiful color of the beetroot, I don't want to overpower it, or I don't want to mix it a lot. But you can replace beetroot with maybe something like, you can add in something like a carrot. Okay, so once you're done like you add the ginger and freshly squeezed lemon, blend everything with a little water. We're going to be using some water to actually smoothen everything, because when you put all these things in the blender, remember they are hard, they're gonna make it difficult for your blender or for your juicer. You can use anything, you can use any type of blender that you have in the home to actually do everything. Okay, now like I said, you don't need to worry about anything or the little stuff, just blend everything. And also, once you are done with the blending, strain everything if you prefer. Some people don't prefer, like some people normally drink, or even me sometimes, but I want a smooth, maybe a clear juice for today. But you can actually blend it everything. Don't forget about the water, because it's gonna give you an easy time to blend everything. Okay, if you prefer, like I said, you can keep it thick for extra fiber, because it is also very important for your health. Okay, now once you do that, you are straining your juice the same way I'm doing here. You pour it into your favorite cup or glass, and add a few cups of ice cubes if you have, and you've got a delicious heart healthy juice ready to enjoy. And it doesn't cost a lot, and these ingredients, and I know that you can actually find them in your home. Now, why is this juice so amazing? First thing, like maybe just to remind you, beetroots actually, it is nutrients, like, or maybe help in lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels. And the citrus fruits, the grapefruit and orange, are rich in potassium, and also antioxidants, balancing sodium, and also reducing and actually reducing strain on the heart. So it is very important for you once in a while, or maybe most of the time, to use these citrus fruits. I know some of the fruits, like the grapefruit, I know some people don't like it, but for me, I love it because of the benefits. Now, ginger helps you to actually fight inflammation actually, which is a common cause of high blood pressure. So the more you use ginger, the more you lower your blood pressure. Sometimes I also use garlic a lot of times. Now, lemon, as usual, it supports your kidney in removing excess sodium and also toxin. And by the way, this juice is also good for your skin, because it's going to help you in actually giving you that bright, that beautiful, that radiant, glowing skin. It has a lot of benefits than what I'm just telling you. So there you have, guys. As a mom, my blood pressure can spike from stress and lack of sleep, but adding this juice to my morning and also my evening, or maybe my afternoon routine, has made a huge difference. It is natural, and also it is very refreshing, very effective. Give this juice a try and let me know in the comment section how it works. I'll see you next. Bye.